Hi, I'm George Nordhaus. Here's an eye-opener for you about today's program, today's Monday morning. It's Sam Friedman, who's the insurance research leader for Deloitte. You probably remember him very well, like the rest of us do, as the head editor for National Underwriter for many, many years. He's going to be talking about the challenge of direct online business insurance sellers, and that's kind of a fascinating situation. There's Sam. Sam, let's talk about what you're going to talk about here.
Okay, that's fine, George. We're going to look at, why agents should be worried about the threat of direct sales of small commercial lines. Our hypothesis going in was that, given the fact that people are doing almost everything on the Internet today, and in fact they're doing most things on their smartphone or their tablet, including most of their business transactions, why wouldn't they at least consider the possibility of buying their small business insurance direct over the Internet without an agent or broker involved? But we didn't just, come up with this out of whole cloth. We actually went to the market itself, talked to the horse's mouth, and we did a survey of 750 small business buyers from a whole variety of industries, size of companies by number of employees and revenue. And we also had two focus groups to test this hypothesis, and we came up with some fascinating conclusions about the threat of small business sales. If you just take a look at this slide, you'll see that even though right now small business insurance is not readily available direct over the Internet, there's only a few carriers selling it, almost 1 in 5 are eager beavers. They say they're very likely to buy on that channel if given the opportunity, and about 35% are fence sitters. They say that, well, I might do it, if the price discount was good enough and if it seemed easy enough to do. So that's almost half the market. And most of them are, as you see here, are looking to get a cheaper price out of this. But some of them think that they could do it, they could get a better deal. It would be easier to buy insurance themselves online, and they might even get more suitable coverage. That was a big surprise. So these are among some of the areas we'll delve into, as well as what agents can do to protect their books of business against direct sellers, as well as how they might join with direct sellers in a partnership to handle certain types of clients that might be better off buying direct online.
Well, I think you did a magnificent job on it. It opened my eyes. It makes me realize what we better be ready for, like we weren't ready for the Geico situation and all that. So I can't recommend any higher to agencies than to see this, listen to it. It's short, sweet, and to the point, but it's going to make a change in your agency. So, Sam, let's see what happens from here. Thank you again for all of your great help, and what a job you did.
Thank you so much, George.